At Comprehensive Urology, we provide complete care for optimized sexual health and performance. One of the most memorable stories that I have is of a gentleman who came in to see us in a wheelchair. Young man, he was diagnosed with a chronic condition, and he came to us from a urological need because he felt that he may in fact have low testosterone. He had been to a number of different practitioners that have told him that, look, your testosterone level is within a normal range. The problem is that the range for testosterone is so wide, typically between 300 to about 1,000. And in that realm, there's so much possibility for improvement. They told him, no, you're not a candidate. And we took a look at it and we said, you know what? We feel, based on the experience that we've had with other patients, that you definitely have room for improvement. This patient actually had multiple sclerosis and in his late 30s and early 40s had become wheelchair bound. We started him on a testosterone replacement protocol, and literally after about 2 months of him being monitored by us, he said, you know what? I'm beginning to move the little toe of my foot. We said, okay, that's interesting. And we continued his therapy because he was feeling better overall. A few months later, he came in on crutches. I said, what happened to your wheelchair? He goes, look, I actually am regaining the ability to move my legs. We saw him a few months later. He was walking on 2 feet with no assistance whatsoever. And then we started to get pictures of him skydiving, doing as many adventures as he possibly could. And just the thank yous that he would write us for actually given him back his life. By us just believing in him and having had enough experience with hormonal optimization therapy and anti-aging approaches, that he was now living an incredibly full life. This is about 15 years ago. He is still fully functional, fully active, so vibrant, so appreciative for his life. And every time we see him, just the hugs that are exchanged and the thank yous that are exchanged, it's incredible to see what a difference you can make for a single person. There's nothing more rewarding than that.